Alright guys, so now I am going to just introduce the template of the estimation, the Excel sheet. So you can see here the black color line here. Okay, so the left side we fully familiarize this format. So this is our BOQ format. So the item description, unit, quantity, rate, amount. So this is our general BOQ format, right? So you can see here there is all the description available, and unit also available, quantity also available. So the estimation mean we are going to calculate, or we are going to produce the rate of these each and every elements. So this is our main concept. Alright, so before to continue this topic, just I am going to show you to these two terms. The first one is quantity takeoff, the second one is the estimation. Okay, so you should be very clear for these two terms. The quantity takeoff mean this is not our roles for the estimation engineers, estimators. We are not going to take any more the quantities. Okay, so the quantity takeoff it's coming from the quantity surveying department. So the quantity surveys they took this all the quantities from the proper drawings based on this specification, and they take all the quantities. Then our roles, we are the estimation engineers or estimation managers or estimation category people. So we are going to start our rate production works. So we are involving fully for the estimation purpose. Okay, so the quantity takeoff and estimation, there's a two terms. So that's why you have to very carefully aware for these two terms. So you can see here there's a quantity and rate. So the quantity surveys of this the another department, they took all the quantities. Okay, they took all the quantities, they placed the BOQ. For we are the estimation department, so we are going to start our estimation work. So this is the main the major difference for this two concept. Okay, right. So in this black color line, so right side, this is our major estimation template. So we are going to produce the rate. Okay, so we are going to produce a rate. So this rate we can apply for this BOQ. So before get this rate, we are going to work out some of the Excel sheets. Okay, so generally we have the four main option. So the first one is the material cost analysis, the second one is the main power cost analysis, the third one is the equipments and plants cost analysis, the fourth one is the subcontractor cost analysis. So these four main concept we have to analyze before produce the proper rate. Okay, for example, just let's say like this, for this excavation purpose. So for the excavation purpose, is there any material involved, or how much the manpower will be involved, and also what are the equipments and plant involved, and is there any subcontractors involved to complete this work, something. So we have to analyze these things, then we have to produce our rate. So just I am introducing very simply for your understanding. So now we will start one by one very deeply.